Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're going through a GCSE foundation paper on frequency trees. 72 people did a test. 20 of the 32 adults who did the test passed. So we can almost fill that straight away. We know that 72 is the total. 32 adults needs to go there and 20 of them passed. So passed is there. So we can use that one line to fill in that there. It then says 6 of the children who did the test failed. So 6 children failed. We can now use that information to work out the rest. These two need to sum to 32, so that must be 12. These two need to sum to 72, so that must be 40. And these two need to sum to 40, so that must be 34. And that will give you a nice 3 marks for filling in that table with, that tree with that information given. 72, 32, 20, and 6 were given to us, but we can use some subtraction and addition to work out the rest. Now it becomes a probability question. One of the persons is picked at random. Find the probability that this person is an adult who failed the test. So an adult who failed is that 12 out of the total 72. Now it hasn't said to give it in its simplest form. So an adult who failed is 12 over 72, but I can work that out. 6 over 36, 1/6. They didn't ask it in simplest form, but let's do that. Anyway, so a nice 5-mark question in total. Let's look at a recipe question now, and do have a look at the short I've made on this. 1 minute short about recipe questions. So this is a recipe for 10 scones, and they want to say scale up to 25, but they're just looking for the sugar. Now to go from 10 to 25, you need 10, 10, and 5. So I need that amount again and half of it, but they just want the sugar. So for 10 scones, I need 40, 40, and half of that. So 40 and 40 is 80 plus 20. It's 100 grams of sugar. So I've just scaled it up. So that's the scones and that's the sugar. So that should give us 2 marks there. Then there's a question on percentage. Increase 240 by 20%. First find 10%. 10% of 240 is 24. 20% is double that, which is 48. Then it says, don't find 20%, it says increase by 20%. So take that 240 and add that 48, and you'll get 288. So 3-mark question there for those things, finding 10%, finding 20%, and then importantly, adding it to that original amount because it's increasing, not finding. Okay, let's have one more question in this video. It's going to be a stem and leaf question. Here are the ages in years of 15 people, going from 17 all the way up to 47. There's some space here to work that out in order, or you can go straight to the stem and leaf form. Notice they've put the key there for you. So I'll do that. 1/7 is 17. Put the tens here. They will be the stem and the units will be the leaves. But let's use the space to order it. Let's get everything that's in the teens, 17 and 19. In the 20s, we've got 25, 1, 2 27s. Oh, there's another 25 there. So I'll put another 25 there. There's a 28, a 29. Oh, and I forgot there's a 26 there as well. And then another 27. So that should be 3 27s. 1, 2, 3. And then there's going to be in the 30s, a 33 and 2 37s. There, and there. And then a 45 and a 47. Should give us 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10s, 1, 7, and 9. That gives me the 17 and the 19. Have a bit of a space there. In the 20s, 2 for the 2 10s for 20. And then we have 25 and 25. That's there and there. Crossing them off as I go. And a 26. Then we have 27. 27 again. And I think 27 again. Yeah, 3 27s. Then 28 and then a 29. In the 30s, 3 10s. There was a 30, sorry, didn't cross off the 28 and 29. 33. There was a 37 and 37. Okay, and then in the 40s, a 45 and a 47. So I've crossed all of them there, and have I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that would give me the 3 marks. Ordered, correct stem and leaf with the correct key. But what's useful once it's in the stem and leaf is we can now find, they haven't asked for it now, but in another question they might ask you for the mode, what comes up the most often. You can see lots of 7s there, it's 27. You can easily find the range. 47 minus 17 is 30, 10, 20, 30. You could find the median. For the median, you find the 8th item, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also 27 because there's 7 on either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, I've kind of gone beyond the question here, but it is useful to see why a stem and leaf table is useful. You can find out more information there. But that's those 3 marks there. Okay, thanks for watching. That's Martin Maths in Foundation GCSE, and we've done a few questions: stem and leaf, foundation, frequency trees, recipe, and probability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.